Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, and actually all you have to do is simply open the Recents, and you can do it using two different ways. It depends what kind of navigation bar you've got set. If you've got the navigation bar with the buttons which you can press, let's say, just like me, all you have to do is simply tap on this three bars icon in this left corner. But if you've got the gestures, then you will have to swipe your finger up very gently and hold it somewhere here. So let me enter the Recents, let's tap on this icon, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, then nothing easier, just find it and swipe it up just like that. It's very easy. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on Close All. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the Recents again, and here we've got no recently used apps, so it means that we just successfully closed all of them. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.